Hi, welcome to my biology class. In this video, we are just going to see some important points of non-cardates before switch over to cardates, because in NEET exam point of view, some of the things are highlighted here. Let us see from the habitats. And exclusively marine, the Ctenophora, Echinodermata, Hemicardata. Not a single animal is present in fresh water. And radially symmetrical, Coelenterata and Echinodermata. Biradially symmetrical, only Ctenophora. Exoskeleton seen, Porifera means spicules. Cnidaria, Cnidoblast. Arthropoda, chitin covering. Molluscan, they possess a shell, calcium carbonate. And Echinodermata, spines. And when you talk about the locomotory organ, from Annelida, the appendages are working for locomotion. And complete digestive system from Aschelminthes. From Aschelminthes only it has started from mouth to anus. And respiration by gills. Annelida, Nereis. And few arthropod, the one which lives in water. And Mollusca, also the one which lives in water. And Echinodermata and Hemicardata. Closed blood vascular system, that is with blood vessels. This is seen the entire phylum of Annelida and only one particular class, cephalopods of Mollusca. And you talk about a special system in Porifera, it is water canal system, and Echinodermata, water vascular system. And nervous system, generally very poor nerves, but here double ventral nerve cord which is thick, seen in Annelida, Arthropoda, prominent it is. And stomochord is seen in Hemicardata. And reproduction, asexual reproduction is seen only in two phylum, that is Porifera, Coelenterata. Sexual reproduction is common from there on. And in that, external fertilization, Ctenophora, Coelenterata, Annelida, Echinodermata and Hemicardata. They are purely external fertilization. When you talk about an internal fertilization, Porifera, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Arthropodians. But here in somewhere, some animals are internal, some animals are external in the same phylum. Like that it is given internal cum external in Mollusca. Poriferan member also goes like that. But in NCERT it is given that Porifera comes under internal fertilization. And deuterostomic animals, that is anus develops first. It is from Echinodermata and Hemicardata alone. And regeneration capacity exhibited by Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Annelida, Echinodermata and Balanoglossus of Hemicardata. And economic importance, you know that Mollusca and Arthropoda, the valuable economic products from these two phylum, and Coelenterata too. And the largest phylum is Arthropoda and the second largest phylum is Mollusca. So this is the gist of non-cardates, very important features in NEET exam point of view. If you want to more or anything to be highlighted further, please put it in the comment section. We'll discuss or we'll add that also. And subscribe and share. Thank you.